Today I am reviewing Intel Core Ultra 9 285K. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285K is not just another processor, it's a leap forward in desktop computing performance. Designed with a revolutionary hybrid architecture, this processor delivers exceptional speed, efficiency, and multitasking power that sets a new benchmark for desktop CPUs. If you're building a high-end workstation or a gaming powerhouse, this chip demands attention. At its core, the Ultra 9 285K features 24 cores, comprising 8 high-performance cores and 16 efficiency cores, and supports 24 threads. This combination allows the processor to intelligently distribute workloads, handling demanding tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, gaming, and multitasking with remarkable ease. You're looking at a processor that doesn't just work fast, it works smart. One of the most striking specifications is the clock speed. With a base frequency of 3.7 GHz and the ability to boost up to 5.7 GHz, this CPU is built for speed. Whether you're running heavy applications, streaming, or gaming at ultra settings, the performance remains consistently smooth. Intel's Turbo Boost Max technology 3.0 ensures the highest performance for critical tasks by dynamically optimizing the workload. Another highlight is the 40 megabytes of cache memory. This large cache significantly reduces data retrieval times, meaning your system responds faster and more efficiently. Coupled with PCIe 5.0 support, this processor ensures ultra-fast communication with your graphics card and storage devices, giving you future-proof performance for years to come. Intel Optane memory support further boosts data access speed and system responsiveness. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285K also integrates Intel's new performance hybrid architecture. This innovation prioritizes core workloads intelligently, allowing the processor to optimize power usage without sacrificing speed. The result is a CPU that runs cooler and quieter while delivering blistering performance. This makes it perfect not just for gamers, but also for professionals who need reliability and efficiency in high-performance environments. Compatibility is another strong suit. This processor works with the latest Intel 800 series chipset motherboards, making it a great option for those upgrading from older systems or building a brand new PC. However, it's important to note that the processor comes in an OEM pack without a thermal solution. You'll need to pair it with a compatible cooling system to get the best out of it. For creators, gamers, and power users, the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K is an investment in long-term performance. Whether you're editing 8K videos, running complex simulations, or enjoying the latest AAA games at the highest settings, this processor delivers without breaking a sweat. It's designed to handle intense multitasking with stability and speed that is hard to match. In short, the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K is a powerhouse processor that redefines desktop computing. With its hybrid core design, massive core count, high clock speeds, and future-ready features, it's not just a CPU, it's the heart of a high-performance computing experience. If you're serious about building a top-tier system for gaming, productivity, or creative work, the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K is worth every consideration.